So hey, what's up mga Kokote? It's me, Ate Mariel, at welcome sa Kokote where learning is the name of the game. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa aming YouTube channel, i-click mo na subscribe, like, and share button para mahip-direct ka na sa aming mga videos. So samahan natin si Super K sa panibagong araw at panibagong lesson na ating matututunan dito sa Kodernos. At ang bagong lesson natin for today is about some important vitamins, minerals, and food pyramid. So doon sa food and nutrition natin, na pag-aralan natin yung carbohydrates, mga protein, vitamins and minerals, fats, lipids, and so many more. So dito naman, titignan naman natin yung important vitamins na need ng katawan natin, important minerals, and of course, yung food pyramid natin. And of course, malalaman natin kung paano ba natin iti-take care pa yung katawan natin. And of course, ano pa ba yung mga food na dapat nating i-intake and their serving sa ating mga maaring makain sa hapagkainan. So, yan. Let's start! So, pag sinabi natin some important vitamins, so, maglagay tayo dito ng pen. Pointer pala. So, dito. Pag sinabi, water-soluble vitamins, food source, and result of deficiency. So, yan. Pag sinabi nating deficiency, yung mga sakit na maaari nating makuha pag meron tayong deficiency sa mga ganitong vitamins. Pag B1 thiamine, yeast, liver, grains, and legumes, pag hindi tayo masyadong nagkaroon ng chance na magkaroon ng enough na source of this, meron tayong possibility na magkaroon ng ganitong deficiency like beriberi and heart damage. So, nabanggit ko na sa inyo dati yung beriberi doon sa trivias and facts na hiwalay na video. Basta nabanggit na yung beriberi doon and the heart damage. So, B2 riboflavin or riboflavin is milk products and eggs. So, source in mouth and sluggishness. So, pag sinabi nating niacin, red meat, poultry, and liver. So, ang result ng deficiency na pellagra, mental, skin, intestinal disorders. Pag B6, pyridoxine, dairy products, liver, and whole grains. Ang deficiency naman niya, pag hindi natin siya masyadong natig, is anemia, muscle spasm, and stunted growth. Pag pantothenic acid, liver, meat, eggs, whole grains. So, yan, anemia, mali. So, dito, reproductive problems and hormone efficiency. So, tignan nyo dito yung mga hindi nyo masyadong nakakain or hindi nyo masyadong napapansin na food na need pala ng katawan natin to be able to fight our body against this disease na maaaring maging malala, and of course, it can cause death, and of course, babagsak talaga yung katawan natin. So, pag sinabi natin folic acid, whole grain, eggs, legumes, and liver, pag sinabi natin sa folic acid, ang deficiency niya is anemia, inhibition of white cell formation. So, B12, so meat, eggs, and milk. So, yan, nervous disorders and pernicious anemia. So, pag biotin naman, liver, yeast, and vegetables. So, yan, skin, hair disorders, nervous problems. Pag C-ascorbic acid, so yan, citrus fruits, leafy vegetables, and tomatoes. Yan, scurvy, lesions on skin and mouth and bleeding. So yan, meron pa tayo dito sa next. Medyo madami-dami siya. So yan ang talaga yung mga important nating water-soluble vitamins na need ng ating body. Pag magnesium naman, green vegetables, stunted growth, muscle spasm, irregular heartbeat. Pag iron naman, eggs, meat, whole grains, leafy vegetables, and yan, anemia and skin lesions or lesions. I think it's lesions. Fluoride natin, it's seafood, drinking water. So, tooth decay and bone weakness. Pag iodine, seafood, milk, salt, and iodized salt. Pag deficient tayo dito, pag may deficiency, it can cause goiter. So, eating a diet containing a variety of food will supply all the necessary vitamins and minerals needed by the body. The easiest way to determine it as a one balanced diet is to refer to the food pyramid on the next page. So, when it comes to, of course, kung gusto mo talaga na magkaroon ng healthy living and healthy life, so, kunyari, vegetarian ka, it is good kung magiging vegetarian ka, or of course, kahit hindi ka vegetarian, meron ka pa ring sinusunod na mga food intake sa katawan mo na nasa food pyramid na magiging healthy para sa katawan mo. Of course, masama talaga yung palagi naka-fast food, naka-prito, lalong-lalo na yung maraming calories, fats, sugar, and sodium. So, marami talaga yung mga, pag talaga kumakain ka ng fast food, so, syempre, paminsan-minsan lang. So, sa akin, kung ako kumakain ako ng fast food for at least twice or once a month lang. So, syempre, medyo need din naman natin ng kaunting fast food para, of course, magkaroon pa rin naman ng mga iba't iba pang mga i-intake yung katawan natin. But, of course, lagi pa rin nating i-check yung mga in-intake natin pagkain. Tignan natin yung nutrition facts sa likod kapag bumibili tayo ng mga products sa mga malalapit na tindahan. So, yan. So, some important minerals naman natin. Ito yung mineral natin. Kung ano yung food sources ng mga minerals na to. And of course, kapag hindi ka masyado nag-intake nito, ano yung deficiency na mangyayari or magiging result. So, sa calcium natin, magagaling siya or nakikita natin siya or pwede natin siyang ma-intake sa milk, cheese, dark green vegetables. Kapag result ng deficiency is stunted growth and weak bones. Pag phosphorus naman, milk products, eggs, and meat. Pag deficiency is loss of bone minerals. Potassium, most foods, so heart problems, weak muscles, and death. Pag kulang ka sa potassium. So, chlorine ay salt, intestinal problems, and vomiting. So, pag sodium natin ay salt, weakness, diarrhea, and muscle spasm. Next tayo. Wait lang. So, fat-soluble vitamins. A. Retinol, T. Calciferol, E. Tocopherol, and K. Phylloquinone. So, yan. Medyo mahirap-hirap siyang explainin. So, yan. Manggagaling siya dito sa fruits, vegetables, milk, liver, milk, fish, eggs, meat, seeds, leafy vegetables, and intestinal bacteria. So, yan. Dito, poor eyesight, night blindness. Pag wala ka naman ito, rickets naman ang makukuha mo. Pag may deficiency ka dito, slight anemia. Pag dito naman, meron kang blood clotting problems and internal bleeding. So, nandito na yung next natin yung food pyramid. So, yan, the Filipino food pyramid. So, yan, medyo i-wide natin ng konti para, of course, makita natin. Magsimula tayo sa baba. So, yan, fortified cereal and bread. So, ang pinaka-vital dyan is the water, 8 servings or 8 glasses of water every day. So, dito naman tayo sa large amount hanggang sa small amount. So, yan. So, dito, sa pasta, rice and pasta, 3 servings niyan. Pag sa fruit group naman and vegetable group servings, so, ang vegetable servings natin is 3 and ang fruit natin is 2. So, sa taas na tayo, yung medyo maliliit na ng serving. So, yan. Milk, yogurt, cheese, group 3 servings. So, sa meat and poultry. Pag fish, dry beans, and nut group 2 servings tayo dyan. Pag syempre, fats, oils, sweets, use sparingly. So, yan. Plus, calcium, vitamin D, vitamin, and B12 supplements. So, syempre, medyo kailangan din natin yung mga desserts, fats, and oils para ma-intake din ng katawan natin. So, not na marami. So, katamtaman lang na serving ayon dito sa mga ganito. So, yan. Remember, eat a variety of fresh food every day. Limit your intake of fatty foods. So, always remember to limit your intake in your fatty foods because it will cause disease and, of course, serious problems about your health. So, nalaman na natin yung some important vitamins, minerals, and, of course, the food pyramid. So, thank you. Have a great day and God bless. So, click the thumbs up button if you like this video and leave a comment down below if you have suggestions, clarifications, suggestions, and of course, mga collaborations, and DM us at quadernos@gmail.com. So, thank you. Have a great day and God bless. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.